Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Smash Bros. Ultimate music on the piano. We'll begin by exploring accessible arrangements and foundational techniques. Learning the main themes can be incredibly rewarding, and it's easier than you might think to get started. We'll cover essential steps to help you bring your favorite game tunes to life on the keys. To truly master these tunes, focusing on fundamental piano skills is key. Dedicate about 15 minutes daily to practicing scales and arpeggios. Understanding basic chord structures, such as major and minor triads, will unlock many melodies. Consistent practice with a metronome at various tempos will significantly improve your rhythm and overall musicality. Finding the right sheet music is crucial for your journey. Many websites offer free, simplified arrangements of Super Smash Bros. Ultimate themes. Look for versions marked Easy or Beginner to ensure they match your skill level. Don't hesitate to adapt more complex pieces by focusing on the main melody and basic chords, making them playable for you. Effective practice is about smart effort, not just long hours. Divide each song into small 2 to 4 measure segments and master each one before combining them. Always start practicing at a very slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, and gradually speed up. Recording yourself playing can provide invaluable feedback, helping you pinpoint areas needing more attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.